Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. EP, where we tackle all things advanced placement wise. Today we are diving into an interesting question and proposition that I came up in the recent weeks. Should the AP English Language and Composition exam change now that the SAT has switched to a digital format? And I do not mean just where the exam is taken, since the AP English Lang exam is fully transitioning to Blue Book as of 2025 exam season. I mean the layout wise. And so, how are these even two related? For this to even be an idea, you may ask? Well, let's quickly explain. So, quick recap. The digital SAT, or the DSAT as it may go by, recently transformed its reading section, or its overall exam actually. In terms of reading section, it's now shorter with single question passages that feel like a fast paced quiz. And so for years, the SAT and AP Lang shared similar vibe in their reading sections with key features of long passages, multiple questions, and heavy analysis. But now that the SAT has gone modern, should AP Lang follow suit? So first we need to consider why these exams exist. So the DSAT aims to test broad literacy skills, think reading comprehension and efficiency. It measures the knowledge and skills students are learning in high schools and that matter most for colleges and career readiness. AP Lang, though, it's all about analyzing rhetoric, argumentation, and writing style. The College Board says these skills are critical for college success, which is why AP Lang exam leans heavily into deep analysis. If AP Lang went full DSAT mode, it might lose that focus. The DSAT reading section aligns with AP Lang's goals by testing rhetorical analysis, evidence evaluation, and comprehension of nonfiction texts, core skills emphasized in the course. However, it falls short of AP Lang's focus on writing and argumentation, as the DSAT lacks the required writing component. The optional DSAT essay does mirror AP Lang's emphasis on analyzing an author's argument, but it's again optional in nature, which limits its impact. And so, while both tests emphasize understanding rhetorical techniques, AP Lang's integration of reading and writing sets it apart as a deeper, more comprehensive assessment of those skills. In short, the DSAT reading section supports AP Lang's analytical goals but cannot replace its rigorous writing component. Next, let's talk fairness. So, the DSAT's shorter passages are great for accessibility. They are less intimidating for students with reading difficulties or test anxiety. But AP Lang is still a traditional exam with those infamous long passages. And if AP Lang moved toward shorter single question passages, it could make the test more approachable and inclusive, but would that water down the skills it's actually testing within a rigorous English class? Let me know. And what I am proposing is only changing the MCQ section of the AP exams, at least to have some questions that utilize long passages, but some that are also as concise and short as those found in the current DSATs. The writing section could just remain untouched, it's perfect as it is. And this is shortly being implemented in terms of FCQ, with the AP Lang now having only 4 answer choices on the 2024-25 exam instead of previous 5. And so, could we see even more progress towards matching the format of the two exam types? Only time will tell. So, in summary, the pros of changing AP Lang to DSAT style could be the shorter, accessible passages, which indirectly lead to less stress, and more alignment with SAT prep. You could knock out 2 birds with 1 stone by taking AP Lang and studying for DSAT at the same time. The cons of changing the AP Lang exam would be it might lose its focus on in-depth analysis, as I mentioned, and it could overall just oversimplify the exam. So, should AP Lang evolve? Honestly, it depends on what College Board and students value more, like the efficiency or college level academic rigor. What do you think? Should AP Lang embrace the DSAT vibes or stay true to its deep dive roots and analysis? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown or this idea, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more educational deep dives, and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. Peace.